I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal good. To start, select rolled oats for a delightful texture and quick cooking. The ideal ratio is 1 part oats to 2 parts liquid, ensuring a creamy consistency. You can use either water or your favorite milk as the base. Bring your liquid to a gentle simmer, then stir in the oats and reduce the heat. Now, let's talk about boosting that flavor. A small pinch of salt truly enhances the natural taste of your oats, so don't skip it. For warmth and depth, stir in spices like cinnamon or nutmeg while the oatmeal cooks. And for an extra layer of deliciousness, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract added at the end makes a big difference. Once your oatmeal is cooked, it's time to sweeten and top it off. Drizzle with natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup to taste. Fresh fruits, such as a 1/2 cup of berries or a sliced banana, add wonderful sweetness and nutrients. For a satisfying crunch and healthy fats, sprinkle on some nuts or seeds, like a tablespoon of chia seeds. Beyond the basics, there are many creative ways to enjoy oatmeal. Try making overnight oats for a super quick morning meal. Just combine ingredients and refrigerate. Don't be afraid to explore savory options, perhaps with sautéed vegetables and a fried egg. For an extra nutritional punch, stir in a scoop of protein powder after cooking. Enjoy your delicious and versatile oatmeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.